Hello there, how are you? Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Okay, so you can go ahead and give it a thumbs up, share the video and subscribe. Okay, so I would like to show you how to make cranberry streusel coffee cake from scratch. Cranberry streusel coffee cake from scratch. Okay? Alright, and we're gonna be making this with a gluten-free flour today. So this is for everyone out there who may be gluten-free, or those who want to cut back on your calories and get away from regular flour, or maybe you're even a diabetic and you can't have a lot of flour and white flour and starch and stuff like that. Okay, this is all for all of you, and if you just want to enjoy a delicious coffee cake, why not do this one? Okay, all right, let's do it. Why don't I give you the word of the day? The word of the day is, it's good to adjust to what your health requires, because yesterday you may have been okay with white products, but today it may be a different lifestyle for you. So why not learn them all? And you never know, you just might like it. Okay, that's the word of the day. Change is okay. Okay, so this is our gluten-free all-purpose baking mix that we're going to be using. Okay, this is taking the place of regular flour. Gluten-free flour, basically what it is. Okay, and so the recipe calls for 2/3 cups of this gluten-free all-purpose baking mix, and then it calls for a half a cup. Here's a half a cup of brown sugar. A half a cup of brown sugar. And then we need a two teaspoons of cinnamon. And then we're going to mix that up. When you measure the brown sugar, make sure you pack it down when you put it in the measuring cup so that you get a full amount. And I'm just breaking it up. Okay, so I'm just mixing it all in. And I'm breaking up the brown sugar, that's what I'm doing. And that's what it's looking like. And then we're going to have 6 tablespoons of softened butter. So this is my butter here. This is my 6 tablespoons full. I put it in the microwave on 40 seconds. We're putting that in. And then I'm going to mix it all together. Okay, so our streusel is ready that quick. I'm going to set that aside. Now we're going to make our coffee cake. So our coffee cake calls for 1.5 cups of this gluten-free all-purpose baking mix. And I have in here with it a 1/2 cup of sugar substitute. So this is the sugar substitute that I'm using. Okay, it's a 0-calorie sweetener. Okay, but you can use whatever kind you want, or you can use regular sugar if you like. Okay, so in here is the 1.5 cups of gluten-free all-purpose baking mix and a 1/2 cup of sugar substitute. Now we're going to go on from there, and we're going to add our 1/4 cup of melted butter. Okay. This is our 1/4 I need to melt in the microwave. Okay, so I'm melting that on 30 seconds. Alright. Then we need 2 large eggs. I'll mix up the sugar and the flour. One, 2. So this is our 2 large eggs. I'm going to add that in. And then we need a 1/2 cup of milk. This is our 1/2 cup of milk right here. And this is a 2% milk I have. 1/2 cup of milk, 2%. You can use regular if you like. And then we need a teaspoon of vanilla. I'm going to actually add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. I love vanilla. So I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. 1. 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Okay, now we're adding our melted butter. And that was 1/4 cup of melted butter. Okay, so we have everything in here. Let's mix it up. Now I have some fresh cranberries. If you don't have fresh cranberries, you can use dried cranberries, or maybe you want blueberries. It doesn't matter what kind of fruit you like, okay? Whatever fruit you like, you can add it. Okay, so now I'm going to add the cranberries. Just going to fold that in. Now if you was using a mixer, you would not add the cranberries until after you finish mixing it and you put it in the pan so that they don't break up, okay? Okay, so let me find a pan for this. 1 second. Okay, I have a pan here. I'm putting some olive oil in it. Then I'm going to take a paper towel and rub the olive oil all in the pan. Like so. So now I'm going to put the coffee cake in the pan. I'm just spreading it over the pan. And you notice I'm using a loaf pan. Okay, so now, let me show you this. So now I'm going to add the streusel right over the top. And here's what we're looking like. Okay, so now I'm going to bake this in the oven on 350 degrees until I put a butter knife in the middle and it comes out clean, no wet batter on the knife. Okay? Alright, so I'll be back. Thanks. Okay guys, our streusel cranberry coffee cake is out. There it is. This is what it looks like on the inside. Okay, so let me take a taste. Here we go. Mmm. The cranberries come right through. The streusel is crunchy and very tasty. The cake is nice and soft. I like it. Wow, I'm impressed. Love the streusel part of it, especially that nice crunch. Okay, I brought it home to you. Please give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you like it. Share the video and subscribe, would you? I look forward to hearing from you and bringing you some more content the next time. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.